All right, today I have a Hyundai Kona, and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this Hyundai Kona. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the vehicle of the Hyundai Kona. In order to open the hood, what I'll do is I will first open the door. And the reason why is make sure, because I want to be able to show you a little bit better. All right, so I'm going to open the door, but first the vehicle's in park. I'm on a flat level space. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm open the door, and I'm going to look down right here, and you'll see that there is a lever right here. I'm going to take this lever. You see that right there? And I'm going to pull on it, and I hear a pop right there. And once I hear the pop, I'm going to walk around the front of the vehicle, walk around to the front of the vehicle, and you'll see down here that it kind of raises, but I can't open it. And that's why I have to open it, get the safety latch and lock it. So I'm gonna take my finger, go down like that and push over. So I'm gonna go like this, push over, raise it right there. And then I can put up the kickstand right here. Put the kickstand in place, like voila, and I'm able to access the hood. And then if you want to, you have things such as the oil down in there. You can fill up the windshield washer fluid if you need to, and that is how you open the hood. And now I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this, put the kickstand back down, and then let it shut just like this. Boom. And that's how you open the hood on a Hyundai Kona. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.